show to the camera.
Yes, I saw it. I saw it.
Look, it's
Yes,
so
where we
small.
found it?
We found it at the farm.
Oh, yes, near
It's
the
nearly
farm.
farm. Luckily that you found it.
Yes.
Yes, you got some lolly. Oh!
Oh,
You see? It's
she claw very fast.
and he likes running. And I just made a toy for him.
He or him? He or she?
He, because him don't have a ladybug don't have a boy.
Are you sure? Okay, when you told me you will name the ladybug, what is his name or her name?
I think they are Patty.
Taki again?
Here is somebody for him.
Put it inside the box.
He don't
Oh! Okay, do you know what does the ladybug eat?
Oh, it eat leaf. Right? Because we put leaf in.
Oh,
Mommy,
where is it?
Yeah.
Okay, put it inside.
Oh, no. Why they like to go?
Okay, do you know how many legs does the ladybug have?
6.
Okay, say again. 8 or 6?
8. 6.
Who has 8 legs?
Insect.
No.
Bug.
No. Mr. Skinny Legs has 8 legs. You remember, พี่เมือง? But the bug and insect has
Inside.
the bug and insect
Oh,
has
inside.
6 legs. Remember? Can you count? Can you count? เมือง?
No, it's nearly.
No, don't.
I want to touch it. Mommy, it's getting out. Put it inside.
Oh. Be careful. Oh. Use the leaf, honey.
Yes. It's good, isn't it?
Oh no, if you close the lid,
It's
the ladybug
dead.
cannot breathe.
It's dead.
Yeah.
We need some. Where is this?
Oh,
Where is it? For oxygen. Where is it?
Where is it? I don't know. Maybe under the leaf.
Yes. Oh, yes, under the leaf. Maybe you should find something. Oh, something. Something to
Maybe
cover.
she wants to go home.
I think she wants to
What
go.
color of the ladybug?
Red and black.
Red and black spot,
Why he's
right?
up here? We use the lift. Wow. Oh, oh.
Oh,
No,
why are you
baby,
scared of the
baby.
ladybug, เมือง? Don't be scared. She cannot hurt you.
It's tickling.
Oh, that's why.
Here is the place for her standing. Oh, no. Oh. No.
Let me see. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Mommy, I want to hold it.
You have to put your finger in front of her face.
Oh, it's
Ah.
I not want any.
Okay, like this. And she will crawl into your finger. Why not? Yes, she coming. Just try. Come in, try.
There was tickle like this ladybug has. Put it inside.
Maybe she want to go
Can I
home.
pet the ladybug?
I really don't know what she'll eat. Oh, come in! Be careful! You can kill him.
Because he really go away.
She don't want to go away. Okay. Can you tell me this is boy or girl ladybug?
Maybe a pink girl.
A girl. Okay.
I think there's a boss. I don't know.
Okay. Just put she inside. Okay.
He eats leaves.
He or she, honey?
Oh.
Maybe we have to let she go home. Maybe she miss her family.
Maybe he don't have family.
He or she, honey?
Maybe she don't have family.
Why? Do you have your family?
Baby.